Welcome, today in front of me Motorola G71 5G, and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So first you should go into the settings application and then here tap on the sounds and vibration section. As can you see here, we got the media, call, ring and notification and alarm volume panels. You can change the volume by swipe this green dot to the left or to the right side. Here also we can set the vibration for calls. We can set it to always, to never to vibrate, and first when the ring gradually. Also we can here turn on or turn off the Crystal Talk app. Also you can here change the audio, some smart audio settings. But I don't want to do that. Here we can set also the don't disturb mode. We can turn it on or turn it off, or also we can just customize that if you want. Here we got also the we can here just enable or disable the media player in quick settings. Also we can here enable or disable the live caption, and here we can also set the for each of the our SIM cards the own ringtone. Also we can change the notification sound, the default alarm sound. Also we can change the sound of our alarm, and here as can you see, we can just by tap once on each of switchers enable or disable the features. For example, we can enable the dial pad tones, the screen locking sound, the charging sounds and vibration, the touch sounds. Now as can you hear, we just can hear the sound when we just touch our screen and make some actions. Also we can enable or disable the vibration on touch, the power on sounds and outgoing call vibration. Also we can hear to pick up our device to silence, to flip the D&D mode, and here sure we can change enable or disable the media controls volumes. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.